I'm sorry, many ladies will not believe it, but what she's saying is true. Is everything is not money. You have to love the person. You have to love the person.
Let me see your face, please.
I'm sorry, I'm not gonna do that. I'm sorry.
My sister, welcome. Welcome back.
The network. Okay.
Yeah.
So, like I was saying, him no ne kukwa wu. Nwaanyị na-abidaka na ha hepụcha nwoke.
Okay.
Ha hepụcha nwoke na nwoke nwetazie ego. Na nwoke ahụtazie na ha awụzikwa their spec.
That's another problem.
So
that's another.
ihe na-ewute ụmụ nwaanyị ha sorocha ụmụ nwoke build cha nwoke bịazie nweta ezigbo ọrụ na-enweta ego gbawa moto biri n'ụlọ ya ọ chọwazi ụmụ 20-25 years mgbe ahụ nke nwaanyị nwere ike ọ gbagotela 30 something because o nwere aka ụmụ nwaanyị I can hear you.
This particular part, you can you what I mean. Side in the sense that no one else will about them. Up down we know anything. You are the book. Abroad free anyway.
Oh, why you middle? My one had a lost second wife. Look at somebody wine.
I will anybody of such issue of in a regular human nature. And the human nature will rise and fight against you. Not even only the person. You know me? Yes. Because no one is going to die. You gotta accept that person some respect. You gotta accept that person some respect. No, you know me? But all of them can already made if you know already made. If you know okay chance. Or card okay. He did that me. Only you to go more and not being go. Is it
Waga mind kid I know hey
don't mind me, my dear. It's every Friday. I want one bottle. You okay? You know. Oh, say I got
one bottle.
Oh yeah.
The thing is, why not complain? Okay not complain. Like I've been on my life like my program.
Okay.
You know, okay na aka na bill nwaanyị na-enye ha na dị too much. Then nwaanyị na-arụtụ aka na break ike ha obi. Ịghọtala ihe ọzọ m na-akọwakwara nwaanyị ndị m na-achọ ime ka ha dị nweta relationship lụọ kwuo. Enwe onye mere gị Mr. eme gị ihe anakwa na-ebutere ya Mr. B. Ihe awa another problem nọ now. Enwe onye gị na-enwere problem ọ bụrụ na nke ọzọ ahụ mejọrọ gị eburukwala the story bịa na nke ọhụrụ ọ na-emebi the new relationship.
Language I say men are. You see, so people go to looking what? Dear one boss, boy, men are. Okay, see me.
That's why you go to cow, put on your chance, call Opanga, Manago, even Yawanaga. Or will be Bruya Victor Meriki, Korea. It might be by here, Mekanaga.
I look at the guy 1 2 step or see.
I have Victor Meriki. No, how one.
I'm the most part, yeah. One that you know that people would give you a beer. We have a relationship. You tell me. Yeah. What can you say? No, because you have to
serious. I was telling them, was it yesterday? Yeah, Thursdays are my hookup day. So I was telling them that imitate man. Also, go tell me about yourself. Koye basaragi na family gi he will second child or he will first child. He will graduate. He will onye Abia or we will onye Anambra or he will onye Hausa or he will onye just call straight. The man want to know you. He does not want to know your past. Now he date the other 20 men or 5 men or 10 men. Or no you cause up or no you cause other go or no you cause go well. You don't need it.
Welcome, yeah. Confirm. Interiors.
Confirm.
Yeah. It's in Istanbul, talking about.
Okay.
Yeah.
So everywhere you find
if a man over Uche will need father Mazine.
Oh, yes.
You have to go if on a kubu, if it's Zikobu. But now, if a basara, make a working and wine, kita, no wine or kita barrel about.
2021.
What can be barrel? You understand? Society, I know kita now, wine. Yeah, I'm a guy, say, man. I know why I know why I got this angle now. Even I buy touch plate in America, I get sour. Thank you. I don't know because he got one of he married 14 years ago. And he be Canada. Right?
I know.
Boyfriend. 14 years ago. Na ya na-eme kịta abụrụ ofu ụmụ nwaanyị anyị nwere kịta na ụmụ nwoke anyị nwere kịta ịma ihe mere waga wee ịma abịa mee ego a ọ dịzi izi nwoke anyị nwere ike ịfụ nwatakịrị ọnụgide nnọọ ọ gawute nnukwu ego ọpịaka ha na ọ gaghị amasị ya enweghị ihe ọ nọziwu ọ nweta onye a o were ego naanị iyi ụmụ nwoke anyị ji ego mebi because ọ dị izi ịgbata ego ọ wụrụ mgbe a na-awụ ị na-arụ ọrụ ị na-agbata nke awụ mmadụ nwere ike iteta ụra pịa aka n'igwe otu a onye ọcha eme ife a o were ego na ụmụazị n'iyi so onwezi nwaanyị gịnị ya na-ekwu okwu kịta ọ bụrụ na ime ka ihe you are not made enweghị ihe onye na-akọ enweghị ihe na-akọ nwere isi
iji ego ị na-akọtu na
ego onweghị ihe na-akọ nwere isi ị na-ededere nwatakịrị na na-edere ya ede ka ị na-ekwugide okwu ka enwe ihe nwere uche ọ na-adịghị ị na-ejikwa ego the language love
like m na-akọwara ha m na-akọwara ụmụ nwaanyị na-akọwakwara ụmụ nwoke all hands should be on desk ọwụ sọsọ ofu onye ebe a m nọ mụnwa na-arụ ọrụ ịghọtala ma di m na-arụ ọrụ mụnwa na-arụ ya nwa na-arụ mụnwa na-arụ emekata ya ọnụ ma na-ebuild family ịghọtala ma mgbe anyị nọ na Nigeria after our youth service o nwere ọrụ m nwetara ọrụ ahụ dị egwu before m agawa ebe a ọ mụ sales rep ndị visa phone
40 years ago
ihe ahụ na
my brother, that thing, that time, 40 years ago, is a big difference.
Oh, wait. 100 years ago.
It depends on who you meet. Ụfọdụ ụmụ nwoke na-eme abịa ha werekwa ego na-eprezentịrị nwaanyị.
Because that's the language they know. That's the language they know. If I average girl that you can you do okay na the first thing we go use one day go okay what you need you can make
what can I
make in my problem no over the point in Maddie Mercury now too many ladies are hungry they depend on a man they depend on men for their survival. That's the problem. If you have something doing, you will look for love. You look for a man who can build with you. Oh God.
Adam has even ndị nwere ihe ha na-eme na Nigeria, ụmụ nwaanyị nwere ihe ha na-eme na-emesi ihe ike. Need kwara nwoke na-eme ọfụma. Ọtọ dị nọ with onye na-anaghị eme. In fact, onye na-eme ọfụma.
That is why
onye na-eme ọfụma with coronavirus.
We have too many people.
Nwoke ahụ na-eme ọfụma na coronavirus ka ọ wụ.
Nwoke na-eme ọfụma.
No, but right now, the whole global world, when there's some epidemic, okay, man, then when pandemic in on now is affecting finances. Oh no, what I'm saying now, Bambo.
Go ahead.
Oh no, what I'm saying now, Bambo. Ihu, kehane kwe. Ihu nwoke na-emetụtụ na-agbalịtụ. Ọwụ na we graduate na-emetụ obere ihe. Ihu na nwoke a nweta ezigbo ọrụ ọ ga-abara gị uru. Isobe ya ozugbo. Soro ngwa love go na-eme ihe o kwesịrị ime. Ọ bụkwa problem a na-enwewo inwecha love with a man. Inwecha love with a man.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Mba, esoghị m unu na nke a because nke a depends on the individual. Mụ esoghị unu na nke ana m eche aba na ati kpọọ m biko anaghị m na biko.
Adam, I wish nigga for the effort to work in a make it ego. Most of these things in the internet, I know the mother again a million asaro and name all these things. All the society I know. All the society I know. The society I know.
During our time, I love you. He gonna nobody go and work. The pastor don't wear Michael Bolton on that.
Oh, kita during your time. How was it? You say you make it talk.
Okay, so try man that's all take care of you. And you when relationship, he gave the key your boyfriend. Your boyfriend is the key again. Oh no, well, I did faithful. About you, when he came, Mom, I don't know.
Common password phone yourself, Mama.
Before, he had a anime from experience because Agama Agwagi, I Oto Ainoketa na Osirike because in a date, only one you can date, as one we call like it again. Need a bit open. You understand? Or patch, and I
was like my sister.
Or patch,
another time.
Or not to Nakugi, in a be woke when near you of ma.
You
know, to gain there with that to be here. Then, on our money, jiggy because only her on and went to Nakagi. You have to go. Then, on a gather relationship, get on working, where you can feel that na easy mother.
Yeah.
Then when you to see Japan, a lot of Bruno Gonata. Can you say, Jeff, you get a bit, you get a or you get even you got a man. Even I get denied, or deny, I'll get denied on more.
Yeah.
People chago. Nke cannot with you. Bunke na have better opportunity. One. Often I know me Diego Biano. You have done the man Kenji, track 4, jazz.
Waga, I want to change the orientation, like I want to change the perceptions, everything about men and women by our attitude, by the word of mouth, because the Bible have made us to know that there is power in the spoken of tongue, and whatever you say happens, right? So when you see a man, you go to work out, you go to need it. You want one, your first thing you get check up, but no ego. You go to together. Yeah, you go together. Are we here?
Mgbe nwaanyị ekwerekwana ịnụ akakpụ ji ego.
Nna kịta nwoke na-ejije ejije as long as no ji ego.
As long as
we're not saying money is not good, but let it not be the priority. Let it not be your main purpose of dating or keeping a woman. Or working at Jiglo, they will just go to stay with a woman because Ojego, Iriego the girl, or the mega one, man and Maggie West. I don't
know. Ka I meche ihe a because ihe anyị na-ekwuta ikwugide echije chifo nwoke ọbụla jee gbaba mbọ tụta ego.
Thank you.
Ego adịghị gị n'aka now marriage gị ga-adarịrị aja. Ọnwụ na ego adịghị gị n'aka marriage gị wụ otu imodi a na-akpọ pọtọpọtọ ọ ga-adarịrị aja.
Ịgwa m na onwe ndị big man nwee divorce nwee ndị marriage a na-ada aja.
To marriage na nwoke a o si n'aka okwe njite because ego dị ya ọ na-ewugharị na-atụgharị na-agagharị because ijide ego nwunye gị ga-akparịrị.
Somebody na say love is money.
Yeah, society I know better.
Nwoke tụrụ ego nwoke tụrụ ego.
Ịmakwana nwoke nụrụ nwaanyị ji ego eke ya ịbụọ ofu na ọkara nọ n'afụfụ.
Yes.
Because ị ga-adịrịrị ọgụ a ga-awụzi madam.
Yes.
Some all very few ladies nwere ike control nwe. If you provide, maragodi as a lady, ị na-provide for the family nwe ihe nwoke na-eme aka esighị ike. Ọ na-agba nwaanyị anaghị ebu nwunye. Ọ na-agbapụ nwaanyị ara.
Nwaanyị si agbakasị woman na nwaanyị anaghị
eme nwunye. Nwaanyị na-control nwunye.
Okay, and when him got now, which has brought me back to my memory. What about Bill Gates? He and the wife is no longer together after 27. Vamos Diego Bill Gates name home.
In their own, no, I believe na all areas of their problem are big.
Money isn't all. Money
isn't
all.
Madam, listen, Ndocha, sometimes ha nogide na marriage. Everything is normal, but on had to go board. Ika Google both of them. I feel like let's just try. As go Mundocha, Madanabo or family friends, no gide. I feel that na had to go board. Hasika in working car, no man car. You understand what I'm saying? So in happen go get in there no. Happen get there. You can Google those people. In Atana Bani. Even n'obodo ndị ọcha obodo ahụ nọ kịta now is not like that. Nwaanyị nwere ike nụrụ nwoke na-enwe ihe aka adịghị on because na onye ọ na-ere onye ahụ anya onye adị responsible. Na society anyị nọ now Africa, mostly Nigeria. There is a lot of problem. Onye nọ na Nigeria na-eme business. Again, onye nọ na Nigeria na-eme business na eboy no obodo oyibo. Anakwa ha maka na ụmụ nwaanyị onye obodo ibe ha na ọchị aka chịrị nwa na even na ya DM gị iwu kwasịrị
but ịmana ụmụ nwoke na young boys na Nigeria na-emesi ife ike kara ndị n'obodo oyibo. It will shock you. And with a young person, you company, who bank managers in me facing
see all those people. I pay the other day.
Sweet boy, you go na ụmụntakịrị na-akụcha sweet houses na-apịa ezigbo moto na Nigeria. Where in this place people live on mortgage, everything on mortgage. Nigeria na-eme ụmụnwaanyị mara ihe ha nọrọ na Nigeria chọọ ezigbote nwoke kpakọrọ ọnụ ịkpa with a man. I'm telling you with experience. With a man today, 2021, in 2025, to God mark my word, you give praise to God. That man will not be the same. Try to be patient. Why you patient in a new Why you working in Jaga Sancha? Can we get please Umuwani? Can we get please Umuwani?
Whether you are kind of reasoning.
I swear. Nigeria
will find boys. Nigeria will find boys. The only good thing about here is security and
our society failed to understand that name with growth. And with growth. Now whatever anybody is doing, I'm telling
you, our society. You want a boy will graduate or a boy in a business. Oh my God. Or how can he change it in 3-5 years?
But where all did the
is gone. Number
patient has been murdered since.
Adamas, like this your philosophy of Yega being I'm among plans in way in like classes. They were like blackboard. Because they talk about blackboard. More effort because today's boyfriend and girlfriend and
no, about easy. My manager had a understanding from frying pan to fire. So many women who are not judging how happen the man. And when one man done my program one day, or see now the girl of Petreba who's the Union Keka and go happily and Wagashike. From Italy, from Germany.
If you want to complain, how about working with the rapper? So, anyway, points. Then I only don't get more, but I still have to get it. So, can you feel it?
Okay, here's something you could before my dad. Sorry, if we am sorry, okay, for certain I come one year. A real man don't beat a woman. A real man.
Beating them special case for cars. Much. This platform. It's a law. I didn't go that side. I don't know. I say no go. So
Waga. You know the truth is, onye dinu je gbawambo. That's the truth.
Oh, yes.
All these things. See, when you don't have money, and when inner happiness in a lack, my woke, my wine, all can join a woke. So no money, no love. I don't blame anybody. You understand? Because Bruna, you went ego. When I mean ego, you don't have to be like Bill Gates, but you gotta have something doing, you know? Yeah. You understand? So you gotta afford to right now. Let me use myself as a case study. You see from nowhere when he passed it. What are we saying? Let's be realistic, you know? Like Uriah said something, she made a lot of sense. Oburu every day, in general hospital, Jerosion, or Oge Batamono, so we're taking miracle. It don't happen that way. And I was 20, 30 years ago. You know, so this is the gospel truth. So what we should be telling people, abroad there is love without no. JJ Bawambo, JJ Batego. You understand? That is the truth. So, Madam, program what chomkina why that if there is no money, there won't be true love. And there are classes to money.
Conversation now. See, love is not everything. Love is not happiness.
That is the truth. That is the truth, Because, see, when you are sick or you need something, love is not gonna do that thing for you. Because there are some men that are lazy, and there is no. Madam, hold on, Madam, hold on, Kangwagi, hold on. There is no guarantee that when you suffer with a man, no guy ever with you. I'm not an advocate of source of woke. I'm an advocate of my woke, my wine. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. So, if I love Bagoro, see, when money enter, love is sweeter. And when you joy, when you feature, you're able to get it. Or you understand what I'm saying? I be online because we don't know who is watching who. We got to tell ourselves the truth. Because if somebody that ain't got no work, you're not love. Forget love. Go do something. Happen to love. JJ, I'm telling you the truth. JJ Bawambo. Obramo Sianya Banigosia Kuko, Nature Body, Edina, Wam love. Rapu Kenifa. JJ, away something. Okakora, no, Waga G, you know where.
In the next 5 years, we will not be the same.
Okay. How do I chase it for next 5 years these days? How do I chase it? Oh, yeah.
If I want a patient, you want a future. In the next 5 years, the man will never remain the same. Love. That is the problem we have now. What can we go? I don't know you company, a family friend, or at Lagos.
I say love is not money. Money is not love. Love is not money. Money is not love. But can you actually be in love without money? Can you be in love without money?
Can I be in love without money? There's nothing like can you be in love without money. Cut your coat according to your size. A level. Okay. One level. Hello. Not money can be there, and what the gig when I got one mind, may I require me? Or I don't know what they go.
Come along. Now you know what to say.
I don't know what they go sitting up for you all on a BGC. Or I don't know what they go iPhone 12. Flow, peace.
Oh, you got place. Oh, my person.
Okay.
Yes. Oh, yes.
To me, I will not love you without money. Because I'm not bomb, but I'm quite ego. Gain no say baby love. Let my love you get one. go on work give buru love bia small love ka ị ga love m eleto o shida na ntị gị love ke without money eleto o shakpo akwa wi wete mu wete
mara mi bulaka
akwa wi wete
Wagati.
welcome my sister
my
sister una na ahota mo enweghị ego nwoke awụ hụ na nwoke awụ bi gate. What I'm saying is ihu nwoke na-eme ọfụma na-agbalịtụ ike ya ablabanye ya bili iPhone 12 ma VGC zụọra gị Range Rover maka na enyi gị nwaanyị na-agba Range Rover.
My sister nwoke ahụ na-eme ọfụma should cut his coat according to his material. Ya galapụ nwaanyị na-achọ iPhone 12 na 13 when ndị kechọga Tecno. Ya gakwa ụmụ nwaanyị ndị kechọga
shoe get size, you know.
Now, I will go na taa nwegere iPhone here na gị bara iPhone 6 maka love gbakwa ọkụ. Nne use iPhone 6, iPhone 12 or 13. Give me iPhone 6, small love.
I know my dad disappointed.
Imagine my disappointed. I want to more like in your mouth. Look, let me one line a waga. All my guys are not here. More like the time, more than a but I like to be told. More yeah, I don't know, don't you know come like here, but I like to follow things accordingly. Never move on now, into iPhone 13. I'm with around. Oh, why you got me here? You got me upgrade. You got Buruka. But to him upgrade, it's gonna put a 12 and a 10 and 7 hours. The more you go higher, the more money you pay. But you have to check your bills.
I ain't trying to go your bills. Ụmụ nwoke niile akpụkpụ niile nwere size. Nwoke ọbụla ịmara nke wụ size gị gawa. Ọ nweghị hụ nke ka gị bịa sị she didn't love me. She didn't love me. What do you expect? Ọ bụrụ na manage ga manage ya onye ke ka jiji ego ya atọ da. Oga birikwa. Ka nweta bia mo ka wete. Nweta bia. How old do you think I am? You are using brain of your grandmother, them shift. Mistake. My sister. Na ilefenu mo bege di ego ya no Canada aki no to village o umu akpo village no sweetheart listen we were both in Port Harcourt. We came here together. But you want to Port Harcourt na baba na nya baro na abaga baro agi kwere ga di shapota
Adamazi ihe 14 years ago.
Adamazi again.
14 years ago.
Waga chelonu. Adamazi okunu godi.
14 years.
Waga kulo nu da no give 14. Adamazi posi ebe ego. Egba ndi be di ha abulie ni na ha bute na she has no love like that. No, I don't know. My sister, can't go up for maybe what I don't know. Listen, sweetheart. Can't go out again. I love you. Why you go? they can cover get away with my darling. And when ụmụ nwaanyị na-eme a young man bịara anụ dị oke nwoke dugoro together ihe awụ ihe na-eri idewe anya ka ọ zụra gị Range Rover ebe okwu m nọ start from somewhere in the next 5 years Range Rover ga-abịa ma inwe patient ebe m na-aga ọ bụrụ na o nwere Mercedes o nwere Toyota or Honda ibidogodo ebe ahụ
nwoke ọbụla gbaga Honda ugbu a a na-akpụ ya ndị na-eji ego ndị ka ahụ na mapịpụ ndị ka
who is for Adamazi? Let me get somebody for Adamazi.
But that's onye ga support to me.
onye ga support Adamazi n'abalị hapụ ihe a
I want them for because if you are not you are in support of Adamazi because indicate very quick because sharp.
Ị na-eme ego onye mere na alụ 2 years obere ihe mee marriage adịkwa 100%.
Anyị agbacha anyị ọm na lawa nọ anyị achọrọ onye ọdọ marriage ka wụ by force onye ọm na lawa onye ke chọrọ onye ọdọ onye ke chọrọ onye ọdọ ma na ahụ onye ọdọ gị date man gị mewe dating owe echi like that.
But on a more serious note, I want to get what Adamazi very, very well. Then when you believe you that. And the woman will by night. Don't put your Adamazi for slave. Don't get me wrong. You have to slave. Not the generation.
Waga,
baby, come on.
Mbeke mommy mgbe a na-alụ teacher mgbe teacher wụ ndị ji ego hapụ ihe a ya wụ mbeke mommy mgbe iwu teacher gị jiri bogo trouser tọ
Waga, Brico. I'm sorry, I'm not gonna pull light. I'm shy, please. I support this auntie. What she's saying is 100% true. I'm sorry, many ladies will not believe it, but what she's saying is true. Is everything is not money. You have to love the person. You have to love the person.
Let me see your face, please.
I'm sorry, I'm not gonna do that. I'm sorry, I'm shy. Please. I'm a shy person.
You're not supporting. You're doing a ghost name.
Oh my gosh. I support this auntie 100% true. This is what my mom keeps saying, because if we are waiting for money, end of the day you're gonna get to 40 something, you are not yet married, you are looking for money. It doesn't make sense. Money will come, love is there too, period. That's
it. We love you. Nice suggestion.
Waga, you know what money and
my person. Yeah. I'm more than 220 to 1 hot chicks. I don't know.
No, my sister, you like to hear go Karamo. One I like to come my pound to my US and my Canada, my Naira. You are about love. What do you love? What can you do that? I know this call, you know.
I refuse to sleep this night.
So in Adamazi, you know,
because Adamazi come again. Can you throw the question again? Can you don't use the people?
Adamazi said na these have child ego. Now I get no love, you know, they give you somewhere.
I met love. Went to pay go. Who's also money.
Yes. Yeah, about some money. To be honest.
Okay.
But ego na de kwama na lo.
Ego dem na like that. Chineke mebere na waga. Chineke mebere na di mu pick money. Waga, di mu pick money na uru billionaire. Level go high. Kwa mo aga di more happy. Do you understand? But let's not be that no blast us a guy who come now whoever no. I should love this guy. In
Yes.
case
Yeah,
if
of
I
course.
go to them, what can we keep for tomorrow? One accident. I call for more or this or can't this sick. If you don't love him, you won't take care of him.
Of
It's all
course.
about
You're right.
We're gonna be aggressive. We're gonna
right.
be aggressive. When I come
Okay. Okay, so
You're right.
sorry.
I support you.
Iwe na-ewegbu ha ha na-adị aggressive ọ ha na-akụ nwaanyị ihe akụkpọ ya anya before ego wa na-abịa akụkpọ the first one anya lụrụ the second one hapụrụ that thing.
Listen, why your ma is Olivia Olivia
Yeah,
Olivia. Ọ na-adị mma nwoke nwe ihe ọ na-eme nwaanyị nwekwa ihe ọ na-eme, but let there be love.
let there be love.
I mean, if I don't love you, I can't stay with you.
Thank you. You're saying
money or no money.
When there is no money.
Aside from money wise, right? I'll be honest with you, with so many girls now when things are me, but a guy had a date say but because of the love, and secondly because of the way the guys appear harmony, she will just relax.
Either need onye nke ji ego jide onye nke na-apịa gị the thing ọfụma or need onye nke ji ego just nọdị
like that enwere ụmụ nwaanyị nọ now their guy emega ha ọfụma but probably they are working and they are earning good money and the guy is good on bed. They love you like that.
If you don't have money, don't come close to me. Stay your day, make a day my day. I don't want nonsense. See, because there's something I only near me and I'm one like Ijego. So I only him get
excuse me, can you give my sweetheart? Are you getting a man to solve your problem? Or
must it be only coming from working?
You must not stop my. I said that I'm working to have my own money. Then if you have your own money to do us better, it will do us good. And we have different businesses. Are you getting me? You don't expect me to give love or see love. Your own bill again. He must not stop my bills. But he should be able to stand like a man. He should be able to stand like a man. Yeah, he should sort his own bill. Why must you not have money? And then you get away go. If you must,
but you know you can stay with a man, You know that God has destined it that una born road together. Ego abatawa.
Hey, mega money.
Their man.
I know
but through you, God will just
I have met so many girls who know with somebody near Ego. But the guy went to go on a bullshit. The guy went to go, yeah, €1.
That is the problem I'm teaching in my program. Let me tell you. It shouldn't happen to you.
And when working on €1. My father
said, they go behind the €1 happening. I will go to I stand that a man should be able to have money to speak up. Like young Rotana, young or something.
You need to come for my
no fighting. Oh, why you Nancy? Nancy. Can you date a man you love, but he's broke?
I can date a man I love. I must be able to love you very well. You are bullying a man at home. You're broke and you have potentials.
I'm not going to
you have potential. If I say to you that you have potentials, I will be
potential.
Waga, I've dated a broke guy before. I have dated a broke guy before. Yeah, the guy you have blown a man at the man. Why did he marry you? I was enjoying everything.
Why did you break up with him?
Not every relationship that ends in marriage.
Wait, why did you break up with him now? Since you love him so much that you even dated him when he was broke.
Listen, again, I understand what you're saying. But let me tell
Why
you,
did you leave him? If not that,
Not every relationship that ends in marriage, my dear.
my dear, na bowo obi biko.
Olivia,
Mmadụ
you
mmadụ
go
mmadụ
see that
mmadụ.
in training. You go see that in relationship building.
No
Not
fighting.
every
No
relationship
fighting.
that ends in marriage. You know when they got
We're not talking about asking me and let you break here up. Since you love him so much, to the extent you stayed with him 1 age ago, how can you stay with a poor man and you cannot endure any other thing? Poverty with the worst disease.
But do you know, can I tell you something? Can I tell you something? Can I tell you something? Can I say something? Do you know, I'm going to Chukwe dosara your man, but enwebe ihe ọ bụ mana nwere ụmụ nwaanyị wu light to their husbands.
Ele mmanya na light. Two bottles.
At the end of the day, once you and abụọ bịara together, ihe ya ebido, things will start happening from broke to rich.
Inwe na point na nwa ga-esi onwe point. Ka nkuwa point nga ka nkuwa ya ọfụma. Akwụsị gị na the man ga-amata. Unu matazie ihe abata. Ịmatakwa like for how long ka eji mata na ihe ahụ ga-abata. Ihe ahụ ga-abata immediately. Ka gị na ya ga for 6 months with the brokenness ya ha na. Ị gị na-echekwa for 6 months ka ihe bata.
The way you even say brokenness, this girl, the way you put it brokenness, your matter be like your beauty project. Your
I love money so much. Yes. Like, I love money.
The kind of girl
you should be able to know that.
Let them come.
Once you come across each other, things will start happening.
First of all, eminence, I must tell you this. I'm surprised that you're thinking like this. I'm very, very appreciative of what you're saying. I'm surprised.
So one guy, I came from a home. It's just that people are there water. I'm very transparent. This girl is spoiled. This girl is. I will tell you also, I'm normal, but it does not mean that in my end of niche too much. I'm fucking too intelligent.
If you don't have money, don't come close to me. I have not.
Olivia. Olivia, how can I miss you? Each point, like, when it comes to only and make proceed something, that would normal one. But only doesn't choke it. No, doesn't choke it. If you want to go to his Abamba, don't come to me. If you go to him, about us, you will get the one you born alive.
This is why I told you the money.
Olivia, have you ever been in love before?
You give you go up on love. You give you up on love. You give you go up on love.
I never been love in secondary school. When I top territory and they told me I say I want to again. I say
we are talking about secondary school. Why is that for secondary school? Yeah, now we are love. I'm talking about now.
If you don't have money, the money I mean that it must not be like Bill Gates. Are you hearing me? The money I'm talking about, it must not be like Bill Gates. You must not be, but you should be a man. You should be able to stand, take care of. You don't expect me, even a date more than a brook, not take care of you. As for what now?
Okay, but I think something to be told. Then I'm not going to come back.
What I can perceive from her is that somebody break it up. You love.
Nah, break Robbie, no. Break Robbie,
I got Chaga Munishi. Turn again.
By the way, energy you got for perfume game my track self.
Have you met a typical Abuja guy before? It takes
Abuja they live, I know them. Abuja they live, so I know them.
You.
Ha!
Love, you be see that money, they will still dupe you.
Olivia can I call here because I don't be
100% careful.
Okay. I see no one break heart to get joke with break heart.
Break heart, Mumbo.
It is sure. Okay. In a relationship.
So Olivia, somebody says he needs your account details to give you.
First of all, in a relationship. I'm married. You mad now?
Yes.
You mad?
Hey, on your can of Panoko.
Olivia, do you know can I give something? Nigga na aru meet to a guy na aru for some time again you go but gonna rakwa go to back to back.
Yeah.
Yes. I can appear the top.
So what's that?
Our topic, winner. Go gina bakutem. Let me expect. Moi, Olivia, more chan no, I'm Bena takes care of you. Then as quite like let's say a Jingo perfume. A Jingo Asana Zotrang menka. Moi, Olivia. Moi, Mechayana, if I can come out to Nelia, so talk about me on the church in one request. It ain't a move quick. Don't do that. Please don't do that. Please don't do that. Don't you push to stop this. This is not love. Gone are those days. Yeah, we 2021 because and let those looking get show queen here. On game to work lazy. Now
you're not getting the point.
Depend on. It's not good.
No, you're getting the whole thing wrong, my sister. You're not getting. I said a man who now bambo. Get back to him. Even when walking out bambo, when he future, you didn't say he can. Equal Makanoji Benz and arrange it now.
I don't know about Benz now. You know, and when kids get about keke or this, you come aquí with a future guy school in second class. I'm broken in some pack.
It's not second class.
For you come aquí,
Olivia was the young law.
I'm telling you,
I was a family Olivia na Chikowa. If I'm walking, na roaru, na a sofa, na go when things, my piano who give my look nice. At the end of the day, when he name me, he got up from street in Ghana cheating. It doesn't work that way.
Now you understand what I'm saying.
No, now you understand what I'm saying. Because you're going to talk when you try to love at all.
I wouldn't say love here.
I wouldn't. Yeah, as in the love goes together. In where go love and money goes together.
Okay, money, love is
why ya be fall in love due to Jingo? Oh, yeah, Jago got why not love and why I love where and by force with the gold. You need on a present need on get better need Lego. Now, never body the guy that wants my sweet king. I love why you got